Hello friends, welcome to my video. In this video, I will be building my first PC. In this build, the processor I will be using is Core i5-8400. The motherboard I will be using is Asus Prime B360MA. It is a micro ATX motherboard. For data storage, I will be using Western Digital Blue 1TB mechanical hard disk. I will also be using an M.2 SSD from WD for installation of OS and other softwares. The RAM that I have chosen is an 8GB DDR4 RAM from G.SKILL Ripjaws V-Series. For the power supply unit, we have 550 watt power supply from Cooler Master MWE 550. It is a non-modular power supply. And I have chosen Corsair SPEC 1 as the cabinet for this build, which is a mid-tower cabinet which supports both ATX and micro ATX motherboards. So let's start with the motherboard. I have installed the CPU and the stock cooler. I have installed the RAM. I will install this M.2 SSD. This SSD has a capacity of 120 GB. There are two M.2 slots on this motherboard. You can install it in any one of them. I have also installed a mechanical drive in one of the drive bays. Now let's install the motherboard onto the CPU case. Cable management with a non-modular power supply is a Herculean task, but I tried my best. The cabinet came with only one fan at the front, so I ordered this fan, which is an RGB fan from Jones Boat, to install it as an exhaust.